Welcome everyone to my channel. We're going to be doing this look right here. Perfect for Valentine's Day and also perfect for date night. Or just because you want to do it. A perfect little halo. I love this look. So cute. The colors you will need is a light pink, a dark purple, hot pink, black, gold, and the color white. We're going to start with this color here, which is a really light pink. It's kind of shimmery, but we're going to apply it all over our lid. Just like so. We are going to go above the brow bone, well, the cut crease area. Just keep going above. You're going to hit almost your brow, almost, just a little bit under. And you're going to make sure to blend it out really well. This is going to serve as your background color, the transition shade. Hold your brush a little lower for a little better precision and a lighter hand. Once we have that, we are going to go with the secondary color. And this is like a purplish shimmer, and we're going to apply it to the front corners. Just like so. So you can blend it out with this brush very carefully and very slowly. Once you apply it to the front corners, you're going to pull it inwards just like so, leaving a blank canvas in the middle. You're going to do the same to the next side, to the outer corners, pull in just like so. Make sure to leave the middle blank. So we're just applying to the corners, and you want to be very soft-handed. Pull a little bit to the crease, grab a fluffy brush, and blend it out just a bit with a very light hand. We want to reach the crease area, and this is what it's supposed to look like. It's not going to be dark just yet. We are about to make it darker. And now we're going to go with that darker shade. This is like a black, a purple color, and we're going to apply it right where you applied that previous color. So it's going to show like a purple underneath. Very light hand. Repeat. And you're going to pull towards the middle, leaving, once again, the middle blank. You want to do this with a very light hand, and you want to get it close to your cut crease area where you have your brow bone. Pull a little bit close to that, and then making sure to make a little tail. Blend it out with your brush once more. Very light hand. As you can see, is how I blend it, and you want to try to connect the top just a bit to give it that halo looking effect that the light is shining down. Now you want to blend that dark color with the lighter color just a little bit with a very light hand at the top. Using the two colors together, swoop those colors in. Make sure to leave the blank in the middle. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a lighter shade, and we're just going to grab this pearly white shimmer here, and we're just going to apply it to the middle of our lid where we left that blank spot. And this is going to be as a background color, and also make the other color that we're going to put on top pop. Blend very lightly. Now you're going to reach for the hot pink, and you're going to apply it right on top of that shimmery white color. As you can see, it looks a little bit more popish. It's just to make it brighter without using concealer. And grab your fluffy brush and blend it out just a bit. A little bit towards the top above the cut crease area. And you're going to grab the hot pink again and repeat the same steps. The hot pink is serving also with a background color to give a different undertone for the shimmer we are going to add next. Make sure to pull that dark eyeshadow a little bit close to that hot pink just to blend it out more and make it look more gradient and more soft. So we're approaching one of the last steps. We're going to grab this shimmery gold color right here and apply it right over the hot pink. As you can see, it's starting to look a little bit different. And we're going to lightly blend it, very lightly. And repeat again and then blend out again. So as you can see, it looks kind of goldish and pink, and that's what we want to achieve for this look. So blend a very light. You don't want to do harsh at all. You don't want the shimmer to disappear. So we're at the very final steps. You're going to grab the hot pink and apply right underneath your waterline. Grab the purple and apply right over the hot pink. And then you're going to grab that same gold shimmer that you had previously and apply it right to the middle just like so. Apply your lashes, your mascara, and you are done. Simple and easy, quick. So this is a perfect halo for Valentine's Day or your day night, or just because you want to look cute with that smoky looking halo. I really do love this look, and you only need one palette. If you don't have this palette, make sure to use similar colors. Once again, as I always say, thank you for watching the video, and if you want to know more or any more tutorials or anything else, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification button for future videos. Any suggestions, drop the comments down below. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.